I hear it all the time. I would love to build a new home, but I'm not going through the construction loan process. Is it really as hard as everyone thinks?
It's really not. It's pretty much the same process as you would go through as if you were buying an existing home. The only differences are there's a little bit more legwork that I would have to do between the builder and myself. And that's really it. Everything else we take care of. If you've gone through the purchasing process before of an existing home, it's pretty much that same exact experience. With the Lake Michigan Credit Union, the minimum amount of money you need down to get into a construction loan, which includes the purchase of a lot and the build cost, those two things, is just 5%. As far as the other paperwork, there are a few extra documents, everything we provide and coach you through, so it's really not that big of a hassle for the consumer, in my opinion. We're seeing a large increase in construction loans over the past year because there's not a lot of inventory, as you know. So a lot of people have given up on trying to find an existing home because they've tried for maybe a year or longer and just haven't been able to secure one. So you're renting now, you want to build this home. Am I going to have two mortgage payments or a rent payment and a mortgage payment? With the construction loan, you're just paying interest on the money that's been drawn out. So for example, if you close on your construction loan today, you might not have a payment for a month or two. And even when you do get that payment, it's going to be small because you're just paying on the money that's been given out to perhaps buy the land or pay for the initial part of construction, which is usually minimal. With us, you have one closing. Again, your interest rate is determined up front prior to closing. Your closing costs are paid when you close on the construction loan before you start the build. There's nothing you have to worry about after that. There's no guessing as to what will my rate be 9 months from now. Do I have to pay more fees at the end of this? All that's taken care of up front. All the worry is taken away up front. You don't need to worry about really doing much paperwork in the end at all. All you need to do as the customer is focus on what house do I want to build, what plan do I want, what do I want to put into the house. As long as you're happy with that, the financing process should really not be a worry for you.